So we are at Treetop Court. This property is located in the town of Newbold. It is not too far from the city of Rhinelander. On the outskirts, it does have nice city amenities, kind of. It does have the charter internet, private well and septic, but nice blacktop driveway. You're at the end of a blacktop road. This is a town road. Everything is plowed. There's this nice cul-de-sac. There's one person that goes past here. They actually own this lot over here, so you have no neighbors there. You don't see these people. They're way back in the woods. This is a huge pole shed that is part of this property. It's on over 5 acres. That does have a separate natural gas and electric service. So really nice privacy. There is a park, public land that borders it on this side, so no neighbors on that side. This is so private, and it does have an extra garden shed here, and then we're going to go in the backyard. So we're at the back side of the house. They have a really nice deck overlooking, and that has new decking on it. He just replaced it. Nice walkout basement, landscaping. There's some huge oak trees in here, very mature oaks and maple trees. It's really just a beautiful backyard and very, very private. Got a fire pit back here, some nice big rocks. There is I'm gonna call that a bird feeder, and there is a tree stand there. Got some extra firewood back in here. So a little bit more of the backyard here. So it's a little open area here. There's a trail here that goes out to the big shed. It's a really nice backyard. Here's the house from this direction. There's that huge tree. So here's the deck. That goes into the garage. So you come in the entryway. This is really nice. This was an add-on tile, place to put your jackets, door coming in from the 2-car garage, and come into the kitchen. They have updated the appliances in the last couple years. Did a nice backsplash. Nice LG appliances. Little dining area here. Nice fridge, got the water in the door, dishwasher. So we've got the living room and nice windows. They're all vinyl. Got an entry door there, closet, place to hang your jackets, nice spot for a desk. There's that deck looking out to the backyard. This backyard is just very intoxicating. I could spend all day out there today. This goes down to the basement. We'll take a look at that. Bathroom. It's got a tub shower. It's good size. Got tile floor. This is the second bedroom. Does have ceiling fan. This is the master suite. Nice room for king-size bed there. Big walk-in closet, some built-in dressers down there. And then this is the master bath. Again, you got the tile floor. Nice shower. Coming out of the master, you have the laundry right here, so main level laundry. And this goes down into the basement. So coming down, this has a landing, and then you can go both directions. So nice big rec room, living room, electrical boxes off to the left. They got a little bar area here, extra fridge, little landing coming in, entryway coming off of the backyard. So here's a look back here. You got some egress windows for daylight. And this goes into the third bedroom. Really good size bedroom, closet, and this has an ensuite bath. So you got the Harley bath here. This is a half bath, and coming down the other direction from the steps, we come back through to this half bath. That bedroom's back there, and then this is a really nice office room, finished, has a closet. Then we go into the utility room. So the furnace had recently been updated, and the hot water heater is brand new. So mechanical is very well taken here. Same with shingles, that was, I think, 2014. So coming from the house, there's a look down that nice road with absolutely nobody. You've got this really nice shed. It's all really quality done. I'll show the inside, but it does have its own separate natural gas and electric. Plenty of room to park stuff here too. So we come in here and look at this nice workshop. So all sheeted and insulated. It's got the modine heater all hooked up to the natural gas. He keeps this about 40. And he does have the stuff for the air compressor. I guess that could be negotiable. So just would need to negotiate that into the offer. And this is the back part. So this part is not insulated. And on a day like today, it's about 80 degrees out, and you can definitely tell the difference. So that is really cool in there with that insulated. And it's a much warmer back here, but it has the pull-through door, great for snowmobiles, lots of shelving, and it does have a little above storage area there. So nice big double door here. That's a big truck, fits that height, and that back door is much higher. I'll have to put the heights on the information sheet so you know what you can fit in here. Again, this is about 30 degrees cooler in this insulated part in the summertime. So 200 amp service there, lots of power. So again, coming down this road, there are new homes. So it is definitely on the end of a dead-end road with very much privacy.